Welcome everyone! In this video we'll see how to book a train on Traveldoo. Here we are on the Traveldoo homepage. To select a train, click on the trains symbol. You can then indicate your departure and arrival stations. If you're not sure about the stations for this route, select all stations. Also indicate the departure date with the desired time, as well as the return date with the preferred time. If you don't want to choose a time, leave the field as no preference. If requested, you'll need to enter a reason for travel. If desired, you can select search options and apply a filter from this step. Your tool is configured according to your company's travel policy, so it's not necessary to choose a preferred class. Traveldoo will automatically suggest the authorised class according to the type of traveller profile and the duration of the selected trip. Start your search and the results of the trains route by route will appear on the screen. At the top of the page you may see info messages which can be linked to your travel policy. Here, for example, it's indicated that journeys of more than 2 hours are authorised in first class. It's possible to select and sort this display by carrier, but also according to compliance with the travel policy, according to price, time of departure, or the duration of your trip. For each schedule offered, the onboard services are indicated by means of identifiable icons on the right of your screen, Wi-Fi on board, wheelchair access and so on. You then have access to different fares and conditions. For each one, it shows the ticket issuing deadline, after which you'll no longer be able to modify or cancel your ticket online. Exchanges and cancellations will then be managed by your travel agency. The fare's compliance with the travel policy is indicated by the P icon in green. Conversely, a non-compliant price will be indicated by means of a red P. The modification and refund conditions applicable after ticket issuance are indicated under each fare. Click on the Other Available Fares Found button to see the fares in the other transport classes. To select a time and a price, click on Select Outbound. The system remembers your outward journey and offers you the various options for your return. Proceed in the same way to select your return trip, and then click on Select and Reserve. You're now on the last page of the reservation process. On the left is a summary of your order. You can complete certain personal details if they've not already been entered in the traveller profile. For example, you can add a loyalty program, or on TGV routes you can indicate your seat preference. Depending on the system settings, you may need to enter a code or a reason for travel. The last step is to click on Complete this reservation to finalise the booking. You'll then receive a confirmation email containing your reservation number. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Traveldoo.